Alright, so me and Rachel out here hiking. That's the Beehive trail that I'm about to go on. You go all the way up there. She's not doing that one. She's doing the bowl trail. That goes that way.
Ooh, she's steep. Like, I can do this.
But then you're gonna have to come back down this.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, so we're still hiking this Bumblebee Trail, whatever the hell it is. But Beehive Trail. Here's the views from, I don't know, a third of a way up. There's Rachel. Chocolate Luggin. We do get to a point where we go up iron rungs. So that's gonna be fun. And I'm just jumping along these rocks like it ain't nothing. Ooh, we got some stairs. Ooh. I probably, honest to God, should not be filming and should have two hands. But that's not as exciting now, is it? Hope I don't drop it. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. Rachel should be right down there. She probably got past. Oh, there she is. Views are pretty fucking good. I don't know what that is. What is that? Alright, so we're on top of this mountain. Still going up. We gotta go that way. There's a sketchy bridge right here that I'm gonna cross with one hand on my phone. And I'm just gonna walk across it and pray to God I don't fall. Let's see. Might need two hands to climb up this shit, actually. Nope, still going strong. Look. Reggie, you need to put your phone up. You need to put it up. You can't do this. I can barely do it. You need to put your phone up. Cross this. Yeah, especially these iron rungs. She's gonna let these people go.
Yeah, it's gonna take me a minute to get over that. Yeah.
Alright, we're approaching the iron bars. I'm gonna attempt to do this with one hand. Probably not the best idea yet again, but whatever. Fuck. Oh, that's one set. Here's the next set. Again, should be using two hands, but whatever. Here's the views, still. There's Rachel. There's my sister. Oh. Yeah, Rachel, I'm gonna need you to come first. So I can make sure you don't fall.
Yeah. Up there?
Yeah. Yeah. Keep going up. We keep going up, up, up. Just caution eye twin, cause up, up, up can only go up from here. Alright. Be careful, grab that bar. Yep, hold on to that with your life. Keep coming up. Give you my hand. Grab it with that hand. Okay. Okay. Now we go that way.
Am I gaslighting myself? Or is it not a
Well, you're gaslighting. You're gaslighting. Okay, now this is just walking up the hill. It's just a sheer cliff right there, but that's wild. She birdie. Okay, but my question is, what psychopath was like, yeah, let's make that a trail? Okay.
You know, Dad's like, we're going to Bar Harbor because your mom's going to tell her friend and we went to freaking damn Bar Harbor.
Yeah.
That's maybe the Beehive Trail.
Oh, yeah.
Then it says 0.8.
I don't know what it said at this point.
Do you know what time we started?
No. I mean, yeah, I have a picture. No. I don't know. I'll see when we start recording. I think a bug just flew in my mouth.
What do you think?
A bug just flew in my mouth. Ooh, we got more stairs. I'm gonna go straight up. I think it goes that way. You got this. Grab on this bar. Whew. I think how we're both taking pictures of each other with our phones out. All right, so here we go. We're going straight up here again. Here's our Rachel. How you feeling, Rachel? Tell us what you're feeling right now.
I'm excited. I decided to do it. Feeling rough though.
Feeling rough.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're gonna continue up here. And, fuck. That's close. We're good. We're good. Oh, I don't know where it goes from here. I think it goes that way.
Like, higher ups followers. Higher ups followers.
It's just my friend.
Higher ups friend. Because you told me to.
Because you know we do. Beautiful scenery though, like amazing. That's the Bay of Maine. There's like a little island out there, right there. And there's like a little land right there that I think is passable at low tide, but only low tide. High tide is not passable. And we're going this way. All right, so we're still going. Blue path, I think goes up. Does it go up or down? Oh, it goes up. Okay, so we gotta get on this rail, on this ledge. Yeah. If you need my hand, I'll give you a hand.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, I'm starving.
We're at the top.
Yeah, well, it keeps going a little higher.
I feel like we're at the top.
Except I did not, in fact, have enough.
We finally made it to summit.
What?